This video will demonstrate the Explore Relations tab on the Digital Thread Projects dashboard. As we have discussed, a digital thread project is defined by the set of intermodal relations that describe a particular system or system variant. In this video, we will learn how to create and view the relations that make up a project using the Syndeia web dashboard. After we have selected a specific digital thread project, in this case Unmanned Ground Vehicle 02, we can go to the Explore tab, Relations subtab, to see a list of all the intermodal relations in that project. Whether a connection was initially created as a reference connection or a model transform connection is not reported in this table, only a combined list of intermodal connections. Like the Digital Thread Projects table we saw earlier, we can resize and reposition column headings, sort and filter column contents, and manage which columns are displayed. We can set how many entries per page are displayed. We can click on Source or Target Artifact Name and open the element in its native browser client, assuming one exists and we have access. We can also use the Create button to add a new intermodal reference connection to the project. The Create Reference Relation window opens. If we wanted to create a relation between a requirement in JAMA Connect and a test case in TestRail, we can select the JAMA repository on the left and a TestRail repository on the right, and expand both sides to find the artifacts we wish to link. The cloud icon indicates additional paginated information to be displayed in the expansion. Remember that Syndeia is reaching directly into the underlying repositories for this data, so this view presupposes that the user has access to those repositories. For more discussion on repository access, watch video 1.9. Once the two artifacts to be connected have their boxes checked, we have the option of setting the direction of the relation from JAMA to TestRail or from TestRail to JAMA, which will also determine which is the source and which is target. Generally, we advise digital thread builders to be consistent in such choices. Finally, we can click Create to return to the Relations table and view the new relation. Within that table, we also have the option to delete connections using the trash can icon at the end of each row. In Syndeia Release 3.7, an additional feature has been added to the Create Relations window. A custom relations type must be assigned to the new relation. For a complete description of these changes, watch video 1.17, Adding and Displaying Custom Relation Types. When we demonstrate the workspace view of the repositories in video 110, we will demonstrate an alternative way to create intermodal reference connections from the Syndeia web dashboard. If you have additional questions, check out our online tutorials, user guides, and blogs, or contact us through our online help desk.